the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Chevrolet features towing package, four-wheel drive, and hill start assist. Safety features include dual front airbags, fog lights, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, air conditioning, and multi-disc CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Davidson Gebhardt Chevrolet and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.